aboard!
Permesso?
An open door. Never leave the doors open when we're around. Good morning, how are you doing?
Please enter. We're waiting for my son to eat.
Good morning, ma'am. What are you cooking? As soon as my son comes, I put the spaghetti. And then we eat these chili peppers that I made. Please taste one. How is it? Sit down and eat your bread. Good.
Come? Avete fatto la fuitina?
Listen, did you guys do the fuitina? Actually, yes, we did. It just had to happen to me. That you will come to my house.
Io mi chiamo Franco, lei si chiama Pina, Giuseppa.
My name is Franco, and she's Pina. Here, drink some wine.
Do you want another chili pepper? If you want it, you could take it with no problem. No, thank you. They're waiting for me to eat in a family nearby. You're very kind. But look at these Sicilians, the symbol of brotherhood and hospitality. And while we're there, Franco plays for me music with his beautiful accordion. Dear Franco and Giuseppina, thank you for this wonderful moment that you have made us live. To say it like Flaubert would, the journey which is the bitterness of rapture sympathy, but a sweet bitterness of a sweet memory. The chili pepper has put me a certain angering, and luckily there's a family of the place waiting for us for lunch. The La Bella family has a nice little house in the part of the village that overlooks the Middle Ages, both on Montalbano and on the Aeolian Islands. Giusy, the daughter, wanted this house at all cost. It is just beautiful, a little memory box in the medieval times. Here's Mama Rosa with her kitchen apron on. Good morning, ma'am. Also, her husband comes, Papa Antonio, and now we're all here.
Facciamo le tagliatelle e i funghi porcini.
We're making tagliatelle with porcini mushrooms, picked up by my husband here in the mountains of Montalbano. Papa Antonio takes me out and shows me his miraculous tree.
You see this tree makes both grapes and cherries. It is a cherry tree, but also the grapes climb on it.
Juice in the meantime is toasting some bread on the fireplace that is seasoned with the famous cheese of Montalbano Elicona, a master here in Sicily. Here is Mama Rosa ready with the pasta. A scent from the past.
Io mi chiamo Rosa Maiorana.
Rosa Maiorana. E il marito?
Nino La Bella,
Classe.
39.
They tell me the story of their lives. My name is Rosa Maiorana.
And I am Nino La Bella.
We met in Montalbano. We were neighbors. My father agreed for him, but my brother was jealous. Darn it, a jealous in Sicily. There must always be.
And then we did the fuitina. I called a friend who had a car and went to Messina.
Then they went to Switzerland, and they made some luck. And because the land of Sicily always recalls their children, they came back. It was a beautiful experience by the lovely family La Bella.
should be raised.